kids learning. Let's start with me. Yay-oo!
Birds, oh birds in the sky you soar, with songs and feathers we all adore. Sparrow, sparrow, so small and sweet, hopping gently on tiny feet. Falcon, falcon, strong and fast, speeding by at a fearless blast. Finch, finch with feathers so small, chirping cheerfully for one and all. Penguin, penguin, sliding in snow, waddling where the cold winds blow. Parrot, parrots are clever and loud, mimicking words to please the crowd. Flamingo, flamingo, pink and tall, wading in water so graceful to all. Eagle, eagle, mighty and strong, watching the world as you glide along. Ostrich, ostrich, running so fast, with legs so strong they're built to last. Turkey, turkey with feathers wide, gobbling loudly with family by your side. Peacock, peacock, so proud you stand, with the brightest tail in all the land. Dove, dove with a peaceful coo, spreading love wherever it's due. Swallow, swallow, quick in flight, dancing in the air, a graceful sight. Canary, canary, yellow and bright, singing a song to fill hearts with light. Robin, robin with breast so red, singing softly where flowers are spread. Blue jay, bold and bright, flashing colors in morning light. Woodpecker, woodpecker, tap, tap away, on the trees you work all day. Kingfisher, kingfisher, colors so bright, diving for fish in the morning light. So many birds near and far, each one shines like a little star.